If you watched my last Skyline video, we converted an NA RB25DE into a turbocharged RB25DE, known as a plus T to most people. If you haven't watched it, I recommend checking it out and then coming back for the updates. You may have noticed the shop was looking a little smoky while moving it out of the hoist. We found that the turbo was receiving too much pressurized oil through the feed, causing seeping oil through the seals. To resolve this, we got an AN4 pill restrictor to slow down the oil before it reaches the turbo. Now that it's fixed, I took it out for a much needed drive. First drive with the turbocharger. We are heading to my mate's place to go and film. My nerves have settled a bit more. I've just been driving it on 60 roads, just babying it. Fluttering up and down the road has just been absolutely mad. One thing that I didn't mention as well, off camera, one sec. Oh my god, there was like a bunch of guys just looking at me because I just popped the biggest like flame through the actually it wasn't even that big. I'm over exaggerating out. Oh shit, there's police up ahead. Oh, I gotta be careful. Do we have the green after this? So there we go, we do. Now I'm gonna make a call and I'm gonna go left and go around that place. Oh, that one was not bad either. 10 out of 10. Okay, well, we made it, despite the directions, but we're now about to go to a photo shoot spot with an R31 and an R34 GTT. Oh, that one was the one that was bumpier, and it is actually bumpier on this side too. Oh. There's a bit of a dip there, just be careful. Do you want to just leave the car there and then we'll go and grab the other?
I didn't realise there was a ditch there. I was like,
yeah, no, I saw that. I was like, oh, what?
If it was the 34, like I like.
It would have scraped.
I wouldn't even drive on the rocks. No.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't drive on the rocks either. But this thing is like, it's a perfect off-road machine.
Well, I've taken it off-road at Calder. It's gone all over the. Here we go. Whee! Oh my god, I love it. I can't stop talking about it. It's such a good experience. Now that it's boosted, all I need to do is just upkeep the engine, fine tune everything, clean up the engine bay. But then I also want to upgrade my brake setup. I want to get some proper braking power. I've got new wheels that is going to go on it. I also want to do some rust repair. I know I have some notorious rust spots that always happen to this model of car that I want to fix. I also want to install gauges because I haven't installed gauges yet. That's the big thing for me, to monitor my water, my temperatures and my boost pretty much. I also want to do a livery as well at some point too. Like that's like one of the main goals of this car. I want to do aero, like I want to do looks, and I want to get this thing looking tidy again. This is kind of what I strive for, really. It's like you got a weekender that's fun to drive, makes great noises, it's got notchy ears, it pops like pretty much like every gear change at this point. Hello, it finally made it out.
Oh, yeah.